Hi, this is Suje from SNS College of Engineering, working as an assistant professor in AIDS department. Today we are going to see the topic about notations of an algorithm. As a continuation of algorithm, we can see this topic. Here, the algorithm can be expressed in many different notations, including nature language, pseudocode, flowcharts, and programming languages. Nature language tends to be verbose and ambiguous. Pseudocode and flowcharts are represented through structured human language. A notation is a system of characters, expressions, graphics, or symbol designs used among each others in problem solving to represent technical facts created to facilitate the best result for a program. First, let us see about pseudocode. Pseudocode is an informal high-level description of an operating principle of a computer program or algorithm. It uses the basic structure of a normal programming language but is intended for human reading rather than machine reading. It is text-based detail design tool. Pseudo means false and code refers to instruction written in programming language. Pseudocode cannot be compiled nor executed, and there are no real formatting or syntax rules. The pseudocode is written in normal English language, which cannot be understood by the computer. The pseudocode includes the word like read, print, execute, calculate, like that. The basic rules to write pseudocode: only one statement per line. Statement represents single action is written on same line. For example, to read the input, all the input must be read using single statement. Capitalized initial keywords. The keyword should be written in capital letter. Example: read, write, if, else, end if, while, repeat, until, all should be in caps. Example: pseudocode. Find the total and average of the year of 3 subjects. Read name, department, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, total equal to mark 1 plus mark 2 plus mark 3. Average is equal to total divided by 3. Next, write name, department, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. Here, read, write should be written in capital letter. That is the pseudocode present here. Intended to show hierarchy. Indentation is a process of showing the boundaries of the structure. In multiline structure, each structure must be ended properly, which provides more clarity. Next one is the flowchart, the graphical representation of an algorithm. Flowchart is a diagram made up of boxes, diamonds, and other shapes connected by arrows. Each shape represents a step in process, and arrow show the order in which they occur. Here, the square box represents the process or the action step. Next, the arrow mark represents the process flow, that is a flow line in the program. Next is the oval symbol, which represents the start and the termination of the program. Next is the diamond symbol, in which the decisions are taking place. Next is the circle, which is then inspection point, which is used as a connector, and inventory, which is a tilted triangle in which raw material storage is stored. Next, another one, the normal triangle, it is finished goods storage. Next is the alternate process, shows a flow which is an alternate to normal flow. Then the dashed flow line, which represent the alternate flow direction of the information flow. Rules for drawing flowchart. In drawing a proper flowchart, all necessary requirements should be listed out in logical order. The flowchart should be clear, neat, and easy to follow. There should not be any room for ambiguity in understanding the flowchart. The usual direction of the flow of a procedure or system is from left to right or top to bottom. Only one flow line should come out from a process symbol. Only one flow line should enter a decision symbol, but 2 or 3 flow line or one for each possible answer can leave the decision symbol. Only one flow line is used in conjunction with the terminal symbol. If flowchart becomes complex, it is better to use connector symbol to reduce the number of flow lines. Then the understanding the problem, that is when we are entering into the problem statement of the program, understanding of the problem and analyzing and coding we can see in the next video. Thank you.